Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to allow automatic downloads in a specific site using Chrome on your PC. Follow these steps. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. At the top right, click on More. Look for the 3 vertical dots icon. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open the Chrome settings page. Step 4. Go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down the settings page and click on Privacy and Security. Step 5. Click on Site Settings. Locate the Site Settings option and click on it. Step 6. Click on Additional Permissions. Look for the Additional Permissions section and click on it. Step 7. Open Automatic Downloads. Find the Automatic Downloads option and click on it. Step 8. Next to Allow to automatically download multiple files, click Add. This will enable automatic downloads for the specific site you want. That's it. You have successfully allowed automatic downloads in a specific site using Chrome on your PC. Enjoy the convenience of automatic file downloads. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.